Welcome to yet another episode of Pass and Move, your number one soccer podcast in the land. Vela kule landelayo. You know what it is. Proudly brought to you by Ibenaya Foods, our number one sponsor. Hey, and this week kwenzekalayo Tobi.
Hello,
Ibenaya
my friend.
inchazi.
Isisezereni
Hayi
phela.
angitshele ma. Let me give you a chance la to intro. Anti badlala bekhali
Ekhaya.
asizintroduce.
Yebo linjani lapha kwesikhathi yethu la. Pass and move. Crispin matches.
Soccer star in the
Ah.
building. Vela akucishisa.
Eh.
Phela athi phela ibibona phela ukuthi sebelo machisa mpoyezi.
Ah.
Thina singaba ibhesi mpoyezi.
Wait.
Wayesithi you know what, this week sesiyavula ishop koBhango eMpopo.
Majothi.
Abone bahle babuye abantu bempoyezi bebengacavula ibhena ilempuphu ile busy bahlale zasikhuluma
why kade sebezazifikela bezibonela
koBhango bona bana new banana shop and hey uSipho did a good job.
Ngiyabona kula ma 5 kg 10 kg abayenza kuhle amabudget afuna 5 kg
nayi kuyafiwa
esijayele beans zakhe
uthola uqhwathiza mdala advert these days igas zesawule uyathi banana yakho uthi beans zakho
usuqedile
but supermarket anubonini kulento eziningi vele
amafutha konke
wide range but ama products ebanana akhona aboma selizadla ibhanana omoyethi tshona bebhala
sebesiyathenga labo
fine onde omaloba
impoezi yonke
but awuBhango balisethini
hayi ibhango sebeqedile hayi besizwile ngamanye ama-brand but le ibhenaya hayi bunandi uthi sibone ukuthi uhamba
muwe phela wenza ibhenaya abayinathi
antsho uyabona so thanks to Benaya.
isho this week ibdala kuningi
ngani ngibonile kuningi amanye athi ngakahambele training
but congrats for you win izo
hayi ukuthatha konke okona
livule kuhle
sivule kuhle hayi siyabonga
liqhubeke madoda iChiefs kumele iphendule, that's my team
kumele iphenduke kumele iphenduke because kumele ube lama-team amaningi la
exactly
sekubhowa phela ukuthi sibukela
one team
sokubho ngeviki le chance yokuthi ama-team ewine kunzima
phendukani
awuthani siphenduke mntana
ibinjani kodwa igame otherwise
hayi igame ibishap anti uyakwazi first game ama-nerves lani ufuna iwini sifuna ukubuyela
ujwayele phela
wena ibiheavy
sithi kanti bayavuka kuma urasta
nje
zimburele
3 points
3 points
3 points
so division 1 football izolo Saturday uRibbon Southern region Northern region last week I saw Liana Eastern iqalisile so lale this week ngapha yipi le yabo Gwanda Pirates
iqalisile
la iqalisile so official ama division 1 wonke central so official ama division 1 wonke aseqalisile
sokungcono
but siqalise ngelokhuzeni Tobi Mighty Warriors usponsor nje
yini league yabo le
bathola isponsor abantu babe mali wayisihleka zo
isponsor sangikhona esikhiphe 10k
10 gram
imagine ama-team lama-traveling abantu abasebenzisayo vele 10k phela ngemonth yabo suyispendile
10k vele
incane
so mina bengizibuza ukuthi umagaya lokho ekhona ebafazini
umagaya ngikwazi
because as explainelwa kahle lapha ukuthi sizwisise siyahleka nibepence labana abasponsor incane ngamanzi whole season because amanzi 10 gram yabi right emanzini yonke
but singenzi njalo abafazi singenzi njalo abafazi
kusahleka phana kuhlekile
abafazi somele athi sibabone imagine phela abafazi kathi you have to travel to Harare usenzani siyafanana phela labafazi
iligi yabo la iqalisile
iqalisile weekend nale
Man City
so
ngikhangele nje siqale sesidlule kusponsor lapha esabafazi. Sure i-company yona ngiyisoli isifiso sikhona sishapha. But nxa ukuthi yibo abayi-main sponsor
Below i-standard
kupenda ipicture embi kakhulu ku-women's soccer.
so ngani asibaqakathekisi kakhulu
Vele sabe singabaqakathekisi.
singaba cause look at uMagala still ukuthi bayenzeleni then usuzabona esadise
Umagala wayikhipha imali clean
wabahlala esehoteleni wabenzela i-tournament.
You understand? So sesibuya sesiyehlisa ibha.
Sesiyehlisa futhi ibha ukuthi
amanye amazwe alinganisa ibha amadoda labafazi. Thina abafazini kuyisponsor se-10 gram.
It's painful.
I'm not happy.
It's painful. Yiko phela ucina phela endlini kuthiwa khathono even indoda ngeke uvumele uyadlala ibhola unizutha 10,000 isponsor.
Khona ngizama ukucheck ukuthi i-company le yona i-company le ishaba. Ponera Construction. Ponera Construction. Ilesifiso sibili ifakele 10 gram.
Ayabu lesifiso ukuthi bekungela. Wala bafaka isifiso sokuthi ayisilayele.
So asathola i-clarity ukuthi uMagaya is it there or leyo laba bathophela, but if this one are the main sponsor then
there's
sponsor sinje bengambela announce nxa ukuthi
awubela sibe official
ngeke abafazi ama-team
yomile liphonga ubhala ukuthi ayibonyela izabe incedisa iyende.
You understand?
Nothi ukuthi sikufake sithi into right for abafazi
10 gram
10,000 incane. Hayi ncane for all season.
Abadonsa
kumbe 10,000 lana kuphiwa ima-team kumbe elokwizeni uhamba njani 10,000.
yiko ngisho ukuthi angisatholanga information yakho ibingane because bapho ukuthi main sponsor ukuthi what kwazi to are you getting something there explaining.
From what I'm getting, there's nothing much said here. It just said Ponera Construction is unveiled $10,000 as sponsorship in support for the 2025 Zimbabwe Women's Premier Soccer League. There's nothing much said about the sponsorship. No news.
We understand
It's quite vague.
Basetha i-standard
esingayisiso
already sehlesikhayela ibhora abafazi
phansi. Because wena be 10,000 kufana lokuthi wena anti wabona ukuthi 10,000 uthona uyozayiwina kumbe kuthiwani ngayo vele.
Nxa uchecka khele bathi emajideni player of the month i-750 benganika ama-750
afika maybe
ngenyanga
anje unike maybe 10 months
benganika abayi-10 so yi-7.5 already sokuyi-sponsor sabafazi. Yiko khona
because ngala nje unake kuyi-750 eplayer 750 kacoach so already sesiku 14,000 15,000
15 gram ngabantu abayi-2
player of the month lo coach
already sidlula i-sponsor se-league yonke yama-team ayi-16.
abayenzanga
laphana I'm not happy abayenzanga
sharp.
Then since sesidlule kulokhu issue le yabafazi we'll get clarity ngokuhamba kwesikhathi.
Sesibona ukuthi maybe uzabuya abanye ama-sponsors ajoyina ini because obviously abantu bachingile abantu basolile ilizwe liyasola so maybe kuza kuba lo munye welisho uzafika njani sithi hayi la ma-racing land engaka hle kube ngcono efine.
So asikhangele u-D1 basikhuluma ukuthi
siqalisile
I was happy ngapha ku-Central iGwanda Pirates team entsha idlalela i-French
iwinile
1-0 I think versus MSU
eGweru.
It says something about i-pre-season esasikukhuluma lapha nje i-pre-season yanceda
kakhulu hayi pre-season yanceda.
Unga-check iGwanda Pirates they played against Lina which is Bulawayo Chiefs. For those who don't know ukuthi udlalela Bulawayo Chiefs, they played against you guys, they played against the Islanders. I-pre-season yabo ibikhanya i-direction abafuna ukuyithatha
because labo bayakhanya sibili ukuthi abantu labana abale-passion yebhora and ama-support abo konke vele
bembona kuma-social media yengizabo lokho esasikukhuluma ukuthi they make ama-games abo an event
yeah.
bebesitshengisa indlela abatravele ngayo, everything.
Exactly.
It says is something
It says a lot about season yabo ya this year.
ngibona
Ngento
as a
abayifunayo,
club.
eh.
Yeah.
The management yabo yabona ukuthi hayi they are top.
Then Eastern region eHarare mbona i-team le kuthiwa yiphi le kaScott
Kuthiwa yini?
elebizo elinye
Elebizo elinye.
uthi kwaste beyi-check-a ngale band elebizo lakhona lide lifana,
Lide,
but mbone uScott bawine 4
bawunifuna ukuthi
isithi ibhora lakhona limchaze blind.
awu ikhalile uthena waphambanisa wathi leya yisikoti le.
Ukuthi omele
Ukuhambisa ibizo elikayisilo kale.
but overall nje ngokukhangela nje through ama-results because sike sabona umkhokheli izolo e-BF labo i-Zebra Revolution iwinile.
Iwinile 2-1.
Decide. Ama-teams esingani siyawakhangela, then there is an issue Arnela mbona kuthiwa kumele betshintshe
Ngizothiwa kumele itshintshe ibizo ibuye ku-Ajax.
ibuye ku-Ajax, so which means i-Ajax isiku-division
Division
1.
1.
Khonaphana sizathola okuyilokhuzena okuyiclear. I-Arnela which means ayisekho.
Ayabe ngasekho.
I-Arnela
Hhayi,
ayisekho, asikwazi kumbe iya ku-DV2 but ingamulo bengani zithi ibizo vele lingasasetshenziswe ebhoreni le-Arnela.
Yebo.
So i-Ajax
So phela nje kuyabe because wena wakuthiwa izawuba Ajax Hospes Movers.
hayi ingamulo movers vele i-Ajax ngibe yi-mover. Wena le ayiyospace hayi akuvumi movers.
Yaba Ajax Hospes Movers. Into ziyatshintsha.
Njengokuthi babengani bashaya i-joint venture.
Ngani yi-joint venture like.
Hayi,
Asukulokhuzana maybe kuthiwa sesithenga konke hayi ngani bayahlangana. So maybe inyama
is the one to look out for.
So hayi sisazama ukuzwa ukuthi uhamba njani.
Overall nje ama-results e-D1 wena wonke across the country.
Habe kusharp ubona ukuthi at least kathi sama-team akulawo cover akulana ama-team ahambile ayadlala, so which is good for Division 1.
Division 1.
Division 1 uright ngokuthi even abantwana akubhadalwa phela.
Alright.
So abantu bakwanisa ukungena benjani.
But yini phela ibibhadaliswa?
Ethi ibhadaliswa ngazi ukuthi kanti
kulo muntu ozisendela imessage wathi asabe sebukela iScotland. iScotland nje e-division 1 yakubulawa. So you are the team to beat this.
ngamathafu.
Ngili ngama-final. Every game is a final. Vele nje sebesithi seliyi-Scotland.
Sokunzima.
Then to the business of the day, Jay. Let's look at since sike sacheck. Kwathi ulithola ibizo la? Usalidingele eka-team kaScott la eku-Division 1. Ungalithola uzanitshela. Just ukuthi ababukeli bebekwazi ukuthi yiphi team yakhona eka-Scott le ku-Division. Ngani bathi yabula lidlala ku-Eastern Region.
Yabo ngayo.
I just want us to look at i-Premier Soccer League ama-results over the weekend. Ukwanele esadinga ilokhuzena. Because we had made ama-predictions, you remember?
Ama-predictions,
we had made ama-predictions over iviki le. The one that engayithandanga eYada versus Scotland.
Yes.
Because I had said ukuthi iScott vele eyalokhuza.
Straight win. Straight win. But ibhora libhora.
Iyadiyale.
Ngapha vele ngathi i-parent club kaScott.
Exactly what I was saying. You remember because iScotland i-Better Brands sponsor iYada.
Ama-players iloni
vele iloni liyada. So iScotland is obvious iyathatha 3 points.
So manje danger yona leyana ngoba nje yabona ukuthi abafana bade bengala
bayi-proof. Ubonile ama-support
bethi bengadlali.
Bona ama-support elokhuze sithi uNdira akachayi phansi. What's your take on that one?
Kunzima labana yi-pressure game vele. uNdira vele yi-pressure week in week out because abantu bafuna i-3 points. Ngeteam leyana wonke umuntu ufuna i-3 points. So vele any mistake ukudraw labo uyadanshwa bonke vele sokuthi hayi man.
But sesikhayithi ibhora Tobi. it's a new team
vele
It's 6
kunzima.
games. and sasicheka lapha nilogo bazabona ukuthi i-team lani ku-number 3 it's not bad
It's not bad. Vele it's
so
not
early
bad.
in the league
Because abantu abakajayelani usadinga ama-combination ngapha ngomunye atele enye i-culture omunye
This is
enye
my
i-culture.
point
So
exactly.
ukuthi enjani ebahlangani so bengahlangana kuhle kuhle uzabona into iyabe sijela kuphela
that's my point exactly
Eh.
ukuthi so early in the season lamasapota matsha
antshi uyabona sesefuna umuntu ehambe njani bona nawo bebatsha
amasapota laso kwamanye ama-team abuya into yonke isasentsha
into yonke intsha vele
not ukuthi siyabakhulumela ukuthi hey kumbe njani but sesikhuluma i-proper bora
i-proper bora akuvumi
it's just like what happened to uJoel Luphahla new
kayela
team
kaTesla
yebo yi-team babe ngama-champions previous season
but sekuyi-new team
but now a new team
because abanye
new
bahamba
coach
nje.
most of the guys bahambile Joel is trying to assemble a new team uze sokuthiwa ucoach kachayi phansi after 4 games
wasephiwe 3 games
waphi imandeli kwathiwa
Eh.
wina 6 points uyasecure umsebenzi lokhana ku-wrong ebhoreni abantu ba-understanda njani ibhora kanti
because after maybe 4 games usithi kayenzi
I-team entsha.
i-team entsha avela
sokunika imandate masinya
hayi
ungachecka that's the next fixture that I want us to look at Simba Bora 4 Manica Diamonds 1 yabona
ayisurprise
because Manica Diamonds was on form
it's a good side
so it's telling you ukuthi nika nini ucoach isikhathi
ukuthi la esibonile amaphutha akhe ebone la ukuthi i-combination yami kathi sokuthi not ukuthi after 4 games
khathi esibathini abantu besimba
umuntu une 4
the first team to score 4 goals kuligi iphelile libe ungahlohla because besikhala ukuthi
enye futhi i-ZPC ihlohle 5
yalinda kanje la hlohla 4
kukhwekho
besikhala ukuthi ama-goals malutshwana
but bajini 4 zangikhona phela so small team abazihlohlekile
this is not a small team
this is not a small
Manica
team
is a team on form
it's a strong team
that's
it's a
number
strong
4
team
kulo
manje uyabona so I think ba-understanda now ukuthi hayi
ibhora you give coach time before uqalise into zokukha I will understand i-team enjenge-Islander bengathi ukhayinde echayi phansi
manje uyabona
because the whole of last season
ube khona
this year la continuity ukhona so if results are not coming their way
uyahlukuthi hayi but i-chances njani
sokuphila so I would understand if maybe coach like Undiraya whole season
then
uJoel Luphahla whole season then the other seningathi hayi
are sesifuna lathi ukuthatha mdala ngana
uyokusithathisa cha phansi
yabo
not masinya
manje ngana abantu abasekopesheni because wonke ama-supporter afuna ucoach bawe behambe Caps ifuna owabe behambe Dynamos ifuna owabe behambe uyabona
mina even uMaBlanco nxa befuna ihamba I would understand last season the whole of last season he was there but the guy when they make cup
last season ubengekho anti bengu-assistant
but he was there ku-system
but last year wasebathathela
ichibuku
anti yabo
wathatha
futhi
i-champions
official bebekwazi Diamonds ayithenganga abantu
ihanjelwe ngama-player
anti yabo
so
like ngenye new team futhi ayibuildayo so it's hard vele ukuthi ama-result ezebuye ngapha yena uMaBlanco lama-youngsters wodwa so
Bikita
Full
Minerals
patience.
idlalele triangle iwine 2-1
hayi triangle kunzima
1 point sayibuka kakhulu team ya you remember
izidlala esikole
izidlala esikole
sathi abachovi
izachuva kodwa semboni ama-results 6 games
hayi kuyala wesibadlalela home phela
uLukman Somere was there I understand nxa ngithi i-team yabontu because ucoach bebelaye from last season beku-division 1
experienced coach
Wes is an experienced coach
la
with
sebengamhambisa
experienced player kulabo kamusoko phela ngani
sebengamhambisa wona kathesi sengahamba
Platinum 0-0 le Greenfield
aplatinum amagobhora yala
maphezu ukhalini
amagobhora yala
maphezu ukhalini wathi I think into eshotayo angazi umbuza avumelana lani because wena you know most ama-players ama-team wonke udlale lawo last season
Eh.
Premier League team. Amabheza his sentiment waye we don't have ama-creative midfielders in the country, not ku-Platinum Stars. Creative midfielders and strikers in the country. Angazi ukuthi what's your take on that one? Uthe is the problem not for Platinum Stars,
But look at ama-team ahlohla for.
but manga is here and there.
Yena akumele ekhale ngakho maybe ngama-striker ngoba I think ama-game amaningi people miss chances. Of which ukumisa i-chance i-chance eli-create le. Yabo. Cause kwesinye isikhathi uyakwanisa ukuthi uthi akula but abe khona. Into esikhala ngayo vele ngathi i-Africa yonke vele ngama-striker. Ungakhalela wonke ama-league vele kubogoli akuhlohli. Not ukuthi abakhona ama-creative midfielders. Maningi but
Somebody
effective.
argue Toby and say ama-league lawo have got good defenders.
Another thing. Because yikho ubona most of the time ama-player athathwa maybe kubo England angale most abe-Africa ngama-defenders. Uyabo. So yinto vele ukuthi vele thina e-Africa we are not abantu labana bokuthi ba-Chinate kakhulu. 1 or 2 or 3 babe khona. But yinto esilekha ngayo thina vele e-Africa yokuhlohla.
Khona bazi kule into ebuya kimi ekhanda. Is it not room for anti lo goalkeepers coach? Angazi ube lo defenders coach.
Ukhona futhi.
Midfielders coach ukhona yini?
Kumele bekhona.
This is
Ibhola lakathi vele
and
yinto
strikers
esikhona.
coaching ngiyabona umakhathi
Uyabe khona.
u-strikers coach ube khona. So I think kule gap ya midfielders coach.
But I mean I think ungabona abantu be-create ama-chances. Phela uyabona kuyafana le ama-game yabe edlaliwe. I-team iyakwanisa ukutha kumbe ka-5. Uyabona ama-clear cut chances sibona ukuthi ibhola lana limemele liye egedini. I-chance phela iyabe creatiwe la. Uyabona? Because to be honest
But ukuthi amanye ama-chance Toby yabona amabheza mina ngizavumelana la to some degree. Yawazi why? Sembukele kakhulu ama-game these 6 games ezikhona. Wonke ama-team abuye luve vele ama-team abuye beef. There is that like i-chance yabe creative. Liyakliwa jeke ibhora. Boom. Liflikwe. Umuntu usegijima. Can we say the creative yile lana?
lelana liyabe lifikile.
Most games i-chicken isikade kakhulu. Creativity.
Yiko ngikutsho ukuthi
Tum yabona ibhora lakona liyabhowa. Sifuna umuntu ozafa ibhora phansi elinyatheli. Like the likes of
type of play yona le yokuthi lineze team lidlala njani. Nxa kuyilabana abasaba ibhora lobutumuza ukuthi
wonke ama-team ayatumuza
because
nje.
kukhele i-midfield ungaze ube le midfield yabe creative. Kodwa ibhora malitumuza uyaba creative njani.
I'll get to one team since sisahamba ngamalokhuzeni. I'll get to one team that I've seen with a lot of creativity. Ngizakutshela. Ande bathi bese ku-Platinum Stars 0-0 le. Then ZPC Kariba 5. Kwekwe 0.
Ayibithini kwekwe uhambe kusene eKariba ukatshana.
And i-team esidoni yalenda 4. Kwekwe.
Iyabona sasikhuluma ngakho nge-traveling. Yokuthi most of ama-team kayela i-team le ikwekwe home ayidleki. But ukutravela manje kuyabahlula.
Ubona indaba yabo yokuthi bebengani ba-strikile ngana kula mali.
Kade be-strikile.
Baphuzile futhi egemini.
Yathi somele ube yi-walkover futhi.
Bakhala bathi i-team ngana isela mali. So ngani kuyadingela ama-well wishers. What's going on? This is sad for.
Kubuhlungu. Kubuhlungu. Esifo ama-players kubuhlungu.
You understand?
Because imagine ukuthi uma uyadinga wena maybe lisuke ngabo-70 siyetonga eKariba umele ufike udlale futhi uyabona udiniwe ngapha by road. Kubuhlungu.
Vele Kwekwe to
Kariba khatshana ndo. Khatshana.
How many cases bona? Just to give context to our viewers, from Kwekwe to Kariba, I saw more than 500.
More than
500 cases.
More than 500 cases.
From Kwekwe to Kariba. Uza check. From Kwekwe to Kariba. Yeah, vele uhlezi. ufike udiniwe isikhathi sowumapha ngapha seliphuzile.
ngapha liphuzile vele uhamba litshintshe ebhasini
You understand? So-
selifika selingena phakathi.
It's not
Uyabona,
professional.
it's not professional.
Kind of
Imagine.
435 kilometers,
Wena
6 hours
uhamba
uhlezi.
uhlezi ufika
Ufikele ground.
sikhuluma ngemoto ehambayo
liphuzile,
lapha sikhuluma ngemoto ehambayo
Ngapha liphuzile.
liphuzile.
Vele balichaya.
balichaya seven.
Bemele belichaye more
Because
than bemele bidlwe more than 5.
nge-first half I think besokungabo 2.
Vele bemele bidlwe more than
so
5.
vele yahlobona hayi result ayiphumi
So i-result leli li right.
Li-right,
Bemele bedlwe
yeah.
vele eziningi okho.
li-right badlalile.
Into they must get their house in order man ikhwekwe.
kunzima kumele benzi bebona iplan.
But ekhwekwe kulama sponsor, it's a mining town. Abazami imbinga zekhwekwe. Abazami
anje ukutravela kwabo nganawukho sharp.
you understand? So team lana bakhanya because iphumile sibilinda ukuthi baphuzile.
Anti vele iye yaphuzile kick off that day.
Then game of the week ngeSaturday. Ngesaturday Tail One versus Ngezi Platinum bese siyikhuluma ukuthi it's a tricky encounter. I predicted it draw.
Hayi Tail One womuyala. Hayi Tail One womuyala.
Check Tail even away.
But man sokuyiwini. Anje unibivela kulusi pe. Kusimba yadliya yaqeda abantu.
And Ngezi were on top of the on top of the log. Liba banika Ngezi their first loss. So Tail One is
isiqinile.
and yabona even sponsorships
awunava is doing well.
bebe unveil kit bele entsha ejoma.
Lethiwa yini Nyaratho.
Bethola sponsors eNyaratho.
Anje wabona into is good for football.
But je akula Tail One Nyaratho. Kanti why Tail One engazisponsori uNyaratho zihambe kubo Khwekwe okhwekwe abana ama sponsors. Ukhwekwe bisiyehle ku fulfill fix. Je Tail One bale backing.
Imali emalini.
Tail One le backing already. Izinto le
imali emalini ndio. Mawungena 1 rand bayongonike enye rand. Bari bawune 1 rand uzabona yabuya.
Tail One Nyaratho akuka sound kuhle kimi. But well they got the sponsor Nyaratho whatever unveil kit entsha with Nyaratho Joma. That team is doing well this season. Current so far.
Yakhanya sibili ukuthi hayi.
Oscar Roque khona
bakhona.
uyadlala. This is wabanzi Oscar phela sele veteran. Wayanceda ukuthi ingarelegate. So we saw Tail One beating Ngezi 1-2 lapha. Then we move on to Sunday. Sunday bekusheshwa mntana.
Sunday akula even draw. Sunday akula even draw amawini.
Chicken in. Let's discuss chicken in.
85 minutes.
Can you say it's a surprise though? Ama-team wonke abefila. Ama-team wonke they were not performing well for the first 5 games. But to see chicken in ihambise
3 points
away ku
Dynamo.
Dynamos.
Kunikela umaferi relief yayo wathi. Ngoba bese kunzimeni.
But isitsho sokuhle kusibonisa ukuthi iDynamos this season
struggling because ungabona selidliwa home
kanti bengavela kuluzi.
bavela kuluzi futhi.
Yikho phela
bavela
ngokuthi
kuluzi kumanika.
ivela kumanika lose iDynamos.
Home futhi lose.
Chicken in lose ku chicken in. So i-picture isihle sibonisa ukuthi Dynamos this season
we tough.
Unzima.
Ngapha bayawuTail One manje.
Netflix
bayawuTail One. Hayi bayakumuzi. Bayakumuzi. Bayakumuzi.
Moz
Ilook leader.
Moz iwine 1-0 ku Rentals. This is the team ethi ngifuna ukutshela ngayo. Ngakhuluma ngayo first game ngayibona ka-1 igame yawo. Ngidala ngakhuluma ngomfana lo left back.
Right back.
Left Nigel bana umfana lo bizo lakhe mana ngimthi Mdala that's a well coached side. Undingele Nigel amfuna ukuthi mphambanise ibizo lakhe. He's a left back. Ole dread elincane. Dala Moz is a well coached side. I like what Ulokuzen is doing that side.
Mtasa.
Mtas, this team is going to be a menace to many teams. Moz is the one to look out for. Mark my words. The team
Ah,
Lana
bona
is
they are doing
well
well.
coached,
Ayikadliwa be.
top of the lobe. I-team le yayikhali ithi iqiliwe ungena ku-Premier
Premier. Khathesi they are proving.
and bathenga ifranchise yokuthi bengene because they knew
ukuthi bona they belong
they belong to the top
Premier.
flight.
Yeah.
Mdala khangela ama-results.
Hayi ndabonisa they are doing well.
4 wins, 2 draws.
Ah,
And
they are
ama-draw, they
doing
draw
well.
away.
Home bayahle.
And what I liked
Away
about the
futhi
game le,
sebesihle.
baby away kuyi-rentals. And they proved into endidlala ngokutshela yona. A well-coached side will always beat your rentals first half.
Yeah. Ngithathele
Besashodini. Ngoba I know i-rentals second half will always give teams a torrid time. Yabona second half kuyi 0-0.
Hayi benza sharp. Hayi Moz hayi.
Moz is a team to watch.
Hayi benza sharp. Yonke into very ordinary.
Big up to and the stadium bona be-renovate ingoni.
Ingoni yabo Imagine
Soon
khona
babe sebedlala
nga-
ku-stadium
wena.
sabo.
Akudeza.
Khayithi idlala so well.
idlala
Idlala away. Ingakadlaleli kuwo. But
Ama-fans
soon-
sebaningi
I hear soon they be playing Engoni.
engoni.
Maybe 2 weeks to come.
Because mbonile i-stadium sabo basirenovate kuhle.
Proper.
Basenza
Clean,
kuhle. Sesisihle
well branded.
vele.
And i-order ngamaveti.
Anti uyabona into
Imozi
eleveti
ngamakhiwo.
vele. Into eleveti.
But anti yabona Mozi esponsor. Not ukuthi Mozi ibonisa ukuthi wanyarathi.
Abe ama-sponsor amaningi.
But i-main sponsor iMozi. Khona kuyana ebengikutsho nge-Tail One le Nyarathi.
Ukuthi
Tail
i-Tail
One ayisponsor ibe i-main sponsor.
then
Onyarathi
iNyaratho
nxa bebuya they can
sebebuyambijana.
do other things besponsoring. Not i-Tail One sponsor iNyarathi ibe i-main
Main
sponsor.
sponsor ngiyakuza.
Yiko engikutsho ngamaveti yabona Mozi.
Hayi
Ah,
ayiphambanisi.
Uyamthola umfana no? Left back. uMichael Nizimela amkhanye. He was involved. Bulo Billy Verem. Achinate nje
Hayi
kuMozi.
uyahlohla these days.
Because even imovie yakhona ngithe ngichecka uBoys uLeft back lo was involved. Marvin, although it was an on goal, but Moz is a well coached side. Moz
they're
will
doing
give
well.
teams a problem. Nigel Martina. Watch out for that boy. Nigel Martina, please. Nxa ubukele, ungabukela one day, there's a boy called Nigel Martina, left back weMoz. Bad news. It's bad news. Amna utshela iplayer mbona kawana. Nigel Martina. What a gem. So far this season, we find it this season. Then to the last game, ebesikhona eBF. Islanders versus Cape United. Ibinjani igame le bese ground sizibonele ngawethu amehlo 90 minutes yonke.
Iwinile yayilinda.
Azama ukuyidissect igame leyo. Siyiqamule bits and pieces ngokuyibona kwakho. What can you say about i-Islanders? Because mina ngaman I'm not happy. That's a big team. Ungachecka chain support. I always say this and I will say this. Islanders izimi yonke well supported.
Well supported.
Across the country.
Elizweni vele uyakwazi.
So I expect i-brand, the type of football kuhambelana edlalwa i-Islanders. I'm not happy. I-Island ihlohlile. What looked like an offside. Because the referee had a bad game. Phuzani uvele gamini. But ngisthandile ispirit uvele gamini uzobukela. So it looked like an offside according to me. Biphuma live uZBC ababukeleyo bazasitshela ngiyakwazi vele ama comment section inkinga baba bias because abaningi basupport i-Island.
But mawule video vele hawo.
You understand? But mele sikhuluma iqiniso. The referees, both linesmen, the centermen, they were poor. They spoiled
igame
a chance uthi sibukele a good game.
Eh,
So the Islanders scored what looked second, I think second minute.
second
They,
minute.
they scored what looked like an offside.
Eh,
All right, fair enough. Then so many incidents that happened. Uref, as I hate it, and I will always say this. I hate it when Oref they become talk of the town. They become man of the match. Even Sesienza, especially Pazemo special. Uzwila ama-support.
akhalile ama-support.
Akhale
Akhale
kakhulu nje.
kakhulu. Akhale kakhulu.
Check out the video, ikhona. Check out the video,
Bakhalile,
ikhona uzezwa.
eh.
Ama-supporter, they are supporters
Ama-views
e-Highlander.
abo ukuthi, Highlander sebephuma la
Labe
be-stadium
Capes.
ukuthi
The diehard supporters bathe hayi urefa hayi.
urefu bakhalile cause amafawuli ade changa isiwo amanye vele bekungokunye ukuthi ngawo kuthiwa maybe ngabe i-Island ibidliwa or something urefu ade
So
aspoil igame.
uyagcina uspoiler,
Eh.
ugcina kuthiwa ama-supporters they are valid, but they are
base
not.
bezondile,
Let's have professional referees, people who know the game, not chancers. You can't give
'cause it's a big
that's
game.
it's a big game. Battle of the cities. Harare versus Bulawayo. The Giants, former Giants, Islanders versus Cape United. You understand? Ubusu faka urefu mediocre. 'Cause-
khona kuyahlupha maybe la utshawe yi-crowd wasaba amagame lana vele afuna i-big
It shows that you are not a ref.
afuna i-big guard.
And
Cause-
standard esinjalo se-refereeing, I don't think we'll ever have a ref ozahamba ku-Nations Cup
Nations
or
Cup.
a big tournament. Bayihluleka even ukuhamba kuma-tournaments ama-juniors, under 17, under
Sesikhona kodwa osimelele kuma-under 17 la i-AFCON.
mbani.
Kuthiwa ngubani kahle?
Because so far angaboni urefu engamqamba mina.
Ukhona omunye
From the games that I've watched, we don't have a quality ref that we can take and put in an international. Bazasiyangisa in an international stage. We need referees abazayendla igame properly.
cause liyana inama-controversial amaningi.
So many-
Angibona kule gobhura liyana litshaye ipost lathi tata.
And I'm glad men's captured that moment. Men's make sure if I clip abantu people. Yes, asilava, but reward bemela inini. Ibhora la
La
bamba.
bamba,
Vele likutshengisela igobhora. Urefu yalini.
Ngiyabona ukuthi ulayimini yabe ngabonanga uyabe sabile ukuthi ethi 1-1 KFC la ibhora lijesu uyagenisa abantu eground.
Abantu bazivumele because nge-half time ngeke ngayehla ngafika phansi ngezwa amajitesi ukuthi hayi igobhora hayi ingenile but urefu lapha wasincedile akufunakali lokho
Anjabo. Cause
akufunakali.
ngona kuyakhostisa omunye umuntu umsebenzi ngento ezona lezi ukuthi ngaphela 1-1 kuyabe kungcono.
Sikhuluma so singezwa thola itembe kala msebenzi.
But ngawudrawile.
But ngawudrawile, bekukhulumeke.
ukuthi hayi masimpheni isikhathi udrawile Highlander home uyabo.
You understand?
So into njengazozana vele hayi it's not okay.
So in a nutshell, Machisa, game Liana was made by a lot of controversies because of poor refereeing. But Yona, game, I don't think those two teams have got equality
Kulokhuza.
that can challenge ama team anje abo Mozi, labo Ngezi, labo
Yes,
Simba
labo.
Bora phezulu.
Yona iCaps but ibile ama-moments layo ukuthi
Yeah, special second half.
bisikwanisa la ukuthi detective Island ibilokhu ibalande because Island they were not defending deep vele bona athi sebefuna
Dumlwana nje sikhala ngayo.
bona athi sebefuna unjani ukuthi hayi why not Tiger.
Stephen Dewani. Of which they did.
Of which bona bayenzile sibili
Because at the end of the day, ibhora ama-results.
ama-results but manje i-crowd yona iyabe ifuna quality football ibhosa
It's important.
uyabo.
Sibona i-build up kanti lisenani kanje.
Anjiyabona ukuthi bona abantu babe befuna khonkhwana ukuthi but iyayilenda mawukubukela iyayilenda vele uyabo kwase kumele kupasane kumele kuyenziwe yonke into yabo but mase ungasela khonkhwana ofisho bona khayade befuna grind i-result
i-team enjengayo kumele ibe ground ama-results. Kumele i-dominate especially ku-home nge-fan base.
bona home ukuthi labo balelakhe abazwini home bazwini.
Yiyo ama-results away abe-prove ukuthi i-team is not that, angazi ukuthi ngakufaka njani but ungabona I think it's the only team so far esebenzisa okhipha abayi-3 esitshintshe i-back 4 kaningi.
ukuthi khonkwana ukuthi bebehluhlwa ngama-goals lokhwana ama-silly goals lana azwisa ubuhlungu la ukuthi kanyela like maybe igobhula kubo-Triangle babekhala
Scotland.
Scotland last minute uyabona amagobhula angikhona vele so maybe ubesedinga la ukuthi mara asike sibone senza
Cause yezolo ngizobe bengunguna ukuthi last week awu-Ariel awasenzele ukuthi ukwazile awu-Ariel wasenzele ukuthi that's why maybe enxibe ubambisa
that's why
u-reward.
bethe u-reward maybe la
But he did well.
wahlobele clean sheet
Hayi did well izolo.
ama ubamba i-clean sheet vele usuqedile.
Ngoba kungayisuye laliyana ekhitshwe nguRef
Mm.
bekukubi lapho. Bekukubi.
Ah,
So anyway, that was the weekend fixture, the weekend results. I'll just have a run through. Njoba wonke sesiwakhayile sawadde then sikhayile ilokhu. Yada 1-1 eScotland, Simba 4-1 kuManica Diamonds, Bikita Minerals 2, Triangle 1, Platinum 0-0 le-Green Fuel, ZPC Kariba 5, Kwekwe 0, Tail 1, 2, Ngezi Platinum 1. Then yesterday's fixtures, we saw Islanders defeating Cape United 1-0. We saw Chicken Inn defeating Dynamos 1-0. We saw Moors defeating Yarentas. It was 1-0. So you mean game ama 1-0. Then we take a look at the log standings, where we see team of the moment, Moors sitting on top, played 6, won 4, drawn 2, lost 0, is on 14 points, followed by Ngezi Platinum Stars, number 2, on 13 points. Scotland, number 3 on 11 points. Simba Bora, number 4 on 11 points. Tail 1, number 5 on 10 points. Manica Diamonds, number 6 on 10 points. Islanders, number 7 on 9 points. Green Fuel, number 8 on 9 points. That's the top 8. I think.
Yeah.
Then the bottom half, the bottom 4 is relegated. Sleep Bikita Minerals 5 points. Kwekwe 5 points. Capes. Kwekwe 5.
I-Triangle bali.
There's Triangle number last. The bottom 4. Number 15 is Bikita Minerals 5 points. Number 16 there is Kwekwe on 5 points. 17 there is Capes on 4 points. Lastly, Triangle on 1 point. Number last. Ye 12 zone. Yes,
I-Cape elandelayo.
Capes yelandela on 4 points. Your former team. Phela Capes ayikazwakali. Nathi yadlala iChampions League. So ikuye 2 uthi phansi.
Number 2 fans. Nje.
Awuvumi.
Awu.
Then let's take a look at the fixtures for the coming week. We are going to week number 7. So we've got Manica Diamonds taking on Tail 1. What's your prediction on this one?
We know draw. Tail 1.
I see a straight draw on this one. Manica igivumi vela kulose. Tail 1.
I'm 90.
Home.
Tail 1.
Or Manica. Then Chicken Inn Simba Bora. Kuyafika eluveve.
Yeah.
Chicken Inn Jay, they've got their tails up. Bavela kuwin eDynamos. I'll give it a draw because a draw away from home won't be paid for Simba. But iChicken Inn ingadlala ngendlela yenza ngayo luveve. Bayibulala. But ngewin eDynamos.
But even eDynamos
Ibaboostile. Sebengavuka.
sebengavuka.
So yena le igame trick.
Wesibe home why.
You understand? Then we've got Moors versus Dynamos.
Moors straight. Moors straight.
Moors straight win.
Straight. Moors straight.
Then Kwekwe away to Rentals. Kwekwe is at home to Rentals. It's at home, yeah. Yeah, Kwekwe is at home to Rentals.
I'm seeing it through.
Ngama problems abala iKwekwe bengela ukulungisisa badliwa Rentals. Ubenzi yabeshayina.
But I'm seeing it through.
Then Green Fuel versus Kariba. Ekipo.
I'm seeing it through.
Jake, yazi ngicela impinga zakobulawa nxa zikhona ezi sponsor Jake ezishabani. Esikhava ama-game ezishabani. There are nice games happening that side esiwakhutha because i-region yethu.
Eh,
You understand?
kulani?
Scotland le platinum.
I
This
don't
time
through.
platinum maybe away though.
Idlalele
Away. Obvious bayose Rufaro.
oh.
Yeah, iZBC bazayikhava. But ngisholo ukuthi nje
Oh,
nxa kule
nxa
well
ikhona.
wisher nje.
Alright,
So ezile ama home games zabo sikwazi sithi Mandava, Luveve, BF
BF.
because siyazama esukukwanisa nje kasila cash. That the close baku region yethu. Yasela ama team
Nakubo Gweru.
even eGwere eduze nxa
kuThelwane.
ikhona iwell wisher nje uphonga ukuthi hayi machance naye belinika even imali kwe transport le ukuthi lincengise la lihambe lecover those games. You can hit us up nje yabo ama sponsors
Kuzamelanga
afu
kube
ibhena iyasuffocate ibhena
Kuzamelanga ukuhlale kube hayilinda chicken.
Hayilinda chicken, this is what I'm saying.
Hayilinda chicken. So kumele kukuze ukuthi quick.
Gweru
Gweru,
Thelwane
iThelwane.
i-region yethu samukwanisa ukuthi yabo then kule triangle le yada
Yadam.
out triangle home first mina see first win ye triangle
Hayi
asibhejeni
mina street
Aspecial.
win yada.
amagame lawa ndiyabhejeka emozi so singabheji thina same sebheje emozi
straight win ngama prediction emuva.
ama-prediction emozi asame sebheje emozi mina see first win ye triangle and yabi le cash yabi ibhadala ku-triangle mina yafayile i-triangle akutshele baba then Caps is at home to Bikita. Caps is at home to Bikita.
I think finally Caps will win.
Iyawina.
Nah, I think finally.
Then Mantengwane uya-engage.
Bathi bona bayachuma. Mantengwane
Eh.
bayachuma.
Uthi bekajuma engage.
Ibona ngezi wo through.
Asazi Chirinda chebhora.
Ngezi through.
Chirinda chebhora. Eza hat-trick.
Lapha izinilo.
Eza hat-trick akutshele waka nje. Eza hat-trick. Chirinda chebhora. Eza hat-trick. So yeah, those are the fixtures for this week.
Yeah.
Please guys remember to like, subscribe and share.
Yeah.
We like what's happening on the comment section. The guys are engaging, it's nice. Then lina bempophoma ibhena esilivulele amanje ezithengela ibhena shop
konke esikufunayo.
anything bra anything awusela ukuthi kumele ungene etoni or whatever hayi ibhena isikhona
Ibhena isisenza
la lidle abantu bempophoma ibhena elizamile
ngempuphu eyiwhite.
i-parcel move salivakatshela ezi-parcel move sike soshuta phambi kweshop ebhenaya or kanjani ukwazi tokhuluma lo bekisi organize sambe seshuta ebhenaya esempophoma. You understand abantu
beke bebona
i-parcel
lawa yiwaphi.
kana amashopu layo wapha you understand ishop yangikhaya. So guys, thank you for watching. It's been a lovely show. See you next week.